Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyla Wallace and today we will be doing some luxury unboxings as well as some luxury reviews. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before and you're back for another video, we are so glad that you are here. Make sure you do comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who may be interested in luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. So what I'm wearing today is a sweater that I got at Macy's recently, and I saw a very similar item at Zara. And it just has a big collar and a bow that comes in the front, and then it has it's a ribbed sweater. A very comfortable and affordable sweater that has maximum style, so I'm happy and I'm here for it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I get a lot of questions asking what's in my closet, you want a closet tour and whatnot, and I will be doing that sometime soon, but my closet is not set up in a way that I'm able to show it just yet. There are some pieces that are missing, some pieces that I need to adjust. So while I'm doing that, I thought it would be fair and right for me to show you a few of the items that I do have in my closet, a few of my favorites that I've been wearing over the past few months, and kind of do a review of them and a sort of unboxing for you. I hope you do enjoy it. So I'll start off with some accessories, then we'll go into handbags, and then I'll get into the ready to wear. Okay, so the first item I have up here is from Valentino, and it's in this beautiful red box. So I'm just going to open it up here for you. It is, of course, an accessory. This is a dust bag. Probably guessed by now, it's the Valentino belt. So this is a belt that has the huge V buckle in gold, and then it has red on one side and the other side is black. So it's actually a reversible belt, and I found that to be very appealing. I do love red and I do often wear black, so between wearing red and black I have the option of always choosing to wear this belt if I want to, and it fits very comfortably and nice on. To see how I put it on, you just kind of put it. There I have it. This is the belt. Mirror over here. I'm just gonna make sure I'm adjusting everything properly. So this is the belt on. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's so nice. It's such a beautiful belt. I can't wait to wear it. I haven't worn it yet. I've had it for a little while. I just haven't gotten around to wearing it. And I mean, you can't beat the fact that you could wear it reversible. So I love it for that option as well. So the next item I have up next is from Chanel, and this again is an accessory. So let me open this up. This is a dust bag. And here is another belt. This one though, I'm sure you can't guess which one it is yet. It's not a very common belt. You won't see it very often. I have only seen it maybe twice being worn. But it's Chanel, and it has like a kind of reddish orange CC in the front, and then it's a leopard, pony-haired leopard. How nice is that? I love it. As soon as I saw it, I saw someone wearing it and I said I have to get one. I immediately called my SA and said, can you get me one of these? And I ended up getting it. It's so nice. Let me know what you think about it. Well, I can't put on two belts, but let me see if I can take this one off and put on this one for you. And so this here again, you're also connecting the dot on the other side. Putting it on. There's a mirror here, so I'm just looking at the mirror, seeing how it's connected. That's looking. So this one is not as wide as the other belt, so I probably won't be wearing it as high up on my waist. So this is the belt. I love it. I love the color. I love the combination of the leopard and the red. To die for. So I had to get it, and the pony here is also very nice. It's just one of those belts that you don't really see very often. It's just a very unique belt, and especially for Chanel, they don't usually make things like this. So that's why I knew I had to get this belt. It's so nice. It's so nice. I love it. Love it. Love it. This has got to be one of my favorite belts by far. Got to be my favorite. So there we have it. It matches with a lot of things. Not as much as a black, of course, but I mean, I will wear this with all black and a red bag and red shoes, or even like a deep brownish caramel, things like that, or just black, all black. It's very easy and simple to match, I find, with a lot of other things. So I love it! So while we are in the spirit of Chanel, the next item I have to show you is a bag from Chanel. I'm gonna unbox this for you. This is a velvet embellished shoulder bag from Chanel. And I love this bag. Again, something that's not very common, very unique for sure, but it's beautiful. I don't know why more people don't have this bag. It doesn't get the play that it's supposed to get. This bag comes with a gold and leather strap, so it's just a shoulder bag. But I mean, it's so adorable. It's adorable. The velvet is very nice. I don't feel like it gets as dusty as some other velvets that I do have in my collection. I feel like it's pretty good at repelling dust. And just the fact that it has all these little embellishments, CC embellishments, all around and all over the bag. I love it. So this one has been worn a few times. I can hardly get down the street in it though. Everyone is asking me about this bag, but this is a Chanel bag and it's beautiful. So the inside of it is leather. It's leather in here. I keep all my cards and all that in here, so it's a little bit messy on the inside of my bag, but it is leather on the inside, and then it has the gold handles and leather at the top of the handle. Velvet body with all the embellishments. I love the fact that this bag has a lot of character and it carries its own beauty, and I love that about this bag. I will have this in my collection forever. I will never let go of this bag. I love this bag with all my heart. Here it is. So I have it on as a crossbody right now, and this is how it is. And if you just want to carry it as a clutch, you could do that as well. I love versatility with my stuff. This bag does everything for me, so I love this bag. Like, I'm obsessed with this bag. To be honest, if I could only have one bag in my collection, one evening bag, this would be the evening bag that I keep. That's how much I love this bag. I really love this bag. Okay, and the clasp up here has a CC there as well. So it opens and closes with the CC logo. Typical of any Chanel bag, right? So there you have it. That's my bag, my favorite bag. The next item I'll be showing you is another Valentino item. I kind of like Valentino and Chanel, as you can tell. So let me just take it out of the dust bag. This is a bag that a lot of people have. It's the Rock Stud bag from Valentino. You got it. I love this bag. It shimmers and shines from sea to sea. These studs, they're so shiny, they're so beautiful. It just really makes the bag have its own outstanding look. I like a lot of razzle dazzle and a lot of bling, and this bag does that for me. It's to the point that I actually want to get another one. I'm probably going to get it in a smaller size, but this bag is a very nice bag. It carries a lot and it's very convenient and it's easy to carry. It has the ability to wear it like kind of like as a top handle, as well as these are the shoulder straps. So I have tucked them in to carry it this way because I'm not one to really do crossbody. The other thing that I love about this bag is that it's understated. Like, unless you're a style girl and you know about Valentino and you know about style, you're not gonna know it's a brand name bag. So this is my Valentino Rock Stud bag. I have to get another one. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the ready to wear. And I have a piece from Louis Vuitton I'm gonna show you first. Okay. So this one is one of my favorites. It is a jacket. So this is the jacket that cannot stay on the shelves at Louis Vuitton. in any Louis Vuitton shop. I tried to get it since last year and I couldn't get it. It was selling out everywhere in every color. I managed to get it now. So I'm going to show you how it looks on. So the inside has all the monogram and all that good stuff, and then the outside is just primarily black. I chose to get the black and kind of white gray, and the hood, it has a hood on it which is ribbed and lined with leather borders. The leather border comes all the way down. It has pockets on each side, and on top of the pockets it is a loop for the belt, and the loop for the belt is also in the traditional monogram colors and material. But on the other side it's just black. So I thought that was neat, how they did that. And then it comes with a leather belt to go around the waist. So I'm just gonna try it on for you here real quick. Alright, so this is the jacket. I've seen people wear it in many different ways. So many people are just wearing it open, just kind of like this, and let it hang. Okay, some people are wearing it like this. Some are also, you know, rolling the cuffs to kind of get the LV monogram look around the bottom. I thought that was a clever idea, and I may consider doing that myself. I think that's quite nice as well. Actually, it looks better than wearing it down, so I might roll mine up next time I wear it. Then it also has the option to wear the belt. So I'm just gonna put the belt on for you now. Okay, so this is the look with it all done up. I'm just gonna get my Valentino bag to wear it with, and I'm ready to go. So this is the look. So you guys, I'm ready to go to work. This is the whole look for work. All I did was get a nice jacket and a good bag, and I'm ready to go. My clothes don't even matter at this point. This jacket, I just love it to death. This bag always saves me. I mean, between this one and my YSL bag, they're both really nice bags, and I love them so much. So this is a look, guys. What do you think? Let me know. If you've made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do comment below, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who may be interested in this sort of content. Also, make sure you put the thumbs up. Thumbs up, guys. Comment, guys. I want to hear from you. I want to talk. I want to know if you like it. Anyways, that's it for this week. We'll see you again next week. Bye for now.